here we have the wild fucking water tractor. Dangerous foe. I sprouted it in my backyard just a few moments ago. And it is a fucking beast. Look at that spread. That fucking water whippy shit it does. Motherfucker will kill any man, woman, child, hopefully child, in a distance of fucking big diameter. As we see here, it does not give a fuck about our presence, but it will if we get close to it. Now, we're going to try to get up a little close and see what this monster does. Oh shit, it's getting close. The ground is moist, moister than I've ever seen it. I'm moist. Moisture. Alright, we're going to try to get in there, fucking see what it's made of up close. It might take me down, but I've got rum and cigarettes, fuel in my veins. Steve Irwin like a motherfucker. Here we go. 3, 2, run, 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 run. Oh shit, there it is. Ah! Go, 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 go. This is fucking trailer park on rum and hate and cigarettes. And that, boys and girls, is the demon fucking water tractor.